Here.
Can you tell Mama what you're doing? What are you doing, Kellen?
Let's tell me the bird.
What are you painting?
Painting for a bird.
Yeah. What color is that you're painting?
Paint the toothbrush.
Yeah. But what color are you painting? What is that?
That is black.
It's red.
Red.
Does it look like ketchup?
Uh-huh. Oh, ketchup in there.
Some more ketchup?
Excuse me.
Excuse you. Oh, that looks so nice, Kellen. Let's paint this side. Good job.
No?
Good job. Paint it. You can hold it. It's okay. Wow.
Let's get it underneath.
Yeah, you have to get underneath. That's right.
Let's get it underneath.
Where are we going to put these birdhouses? Where do you want to put them?
For the house.
Should we put them outside?
More?
No, no more paint. You have lots. Okay, say I love you, Mom.
There's your mom putting paint in